What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar, and we are talking about OnyxCoin today, XCN. Hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more content like this, you guys, and let's get into it. I made a video earlier, actually, for XCN, and there was that background noise. Some of you guys probably heard it from the Bitcoin video, but I noticed it before I posted the XCN video, and I straight forgot to make a second one. I was just carrying on my merry way, so making a second one here. If you know what I'm talking about, cool. If you don't, whatever. It's not a big deal. But here we are. Hit that like button, subscribe. Let's get into it, okay? It's the 10th of July. Here we are at 1.4 cents. 6 hours, 30 minutes left in the day. Looking bullish as hell. Looking ready to go, especially with Bitcoin doing its thing, man. I mean, we're looking magical here. I really wouldn't be surprised if we found resistance around 113.5 to 113.9K. Wouldn't surprise me at all if we found some resistance here, but we absolutely could prosper higher and see prices all the way up at 114K. In fact, I'm actually kind of curious. Let's look at this on the weekly time frame. Does this line up with maybe the 3-day time frame? Yeah, just so we have a little bit less noise. Does that area line up with anything here? No, it doesn't. No, it does not at all. What about here? No, it does not. I mean, hell, man, maybe we go higher. Maybe we really do go. Crazy stuff could happen, you guys. I wouldn't be surprised if we did go higher. Crazy. Anyways, XCN, looking bullish. 1.42 cents right now. Looking at this on the daily time frame, we do have higher lows right here. Bouncing off that 41 area on the RSI. Higher lows, higher highs. We've broken out of our downtrend in the daily RSI as well. Downtrend here. Broken out of that, looking like we're shaping up to get into that overbought zone. At the rate of growth that we've seen, I wouldn't be surprised if by the end of this month we're in the overbought zone. And if and when that happens, we should be breaking out of this area, 1.7 cents. Remember, getting above 1.7 cents is the key. You get above there and we're free. We are literally new all-time high bound. I mean, we're already bound to new all-time highs right now, but just it would happen very, very fast. I am anticipating this next move to be much like this move, just bigger overall. I think that this next move will be more akin to something like this, right, where we're just moving up, and maybe not quite like this. We're here in like 13 days. We moved up, we consolidated, we moved up more. I would think more so we move up, have a fantastic breakout, consolidate for a good bit of time, going into the end of the month, the beginning of August, and then we see another breakout, right? What I mean by more like this is it'll be a two-part move. I just think the consolidation might be longer. And we should move. You know, I'm kind of curious. Let's think forward. This is a thought. Let's do this. Ready? We're going to take a line, a trendy poo, little trend line. Let's say it's from the low here, okay? We're going to go all the way up. How much would we'd probably want to see something like this, right? And then we consolidate. We get our bear flag going on, or our bull flag going on. Maybe it consolidates. We find support at this prior high right here, right? Does that make sense? Something like that. Just thinking about it here real quick. And then your measured move would take you all the way up to 26 to 32 cents. Perfect. Just like that. Oh my goodness. Okay, thinking here, a little forward thinking. This is what they call, what do they call it? Foresight. What if we do just move right up to 8 cents? What if that's exactly what we do? Because I'm expecting a move like this, but bigger, right? What if we get a bull flag that's just like this? We come back down, we consolidate, and then our measure move of that bull flag, the way I have it drawn, would take us right to this area in August. Because that's kind of what I'm expecting. I'm expecting a fantastic move, a bull flag, like a consolidation phase like this, and then we continue in a secondary phase. It might not happen that way. Just because I'm expecting it doesn't mean it has to happen that way. I'm just saying. That's my thoughts. C-Zar's thoughts there. Really building out the case where we could just move up to 8 cents. You guys, this 5x or more move might be happening sooner than we think, right? Like that's almost a 6x move there. 1.42 cents now. Crazy stuff. Crazy stuff in a very short amount of time. I wouldn't be surprised at all if maybe not by the end of this week, right? I think if Bitcoin's moving up to new all-time highs, if that's not good enough for XCN, right? Ethereum, let's look at Ethereum. What's ETH doing? ETH USD, has it broken out? Hasn't broken out yet, right? We haven't broken out yet. And if Bitcoin's finding resistance here and comes down, Ethereum would actually look like it's finding resistance on its overbought zone. So again, get set up, and then next week we could run. I could see that happen because typically what happens is Bitcoin runs first, then altcoins run, then altcoins follow suit. So It's having its little run right now. But I'm curious to see. We might not be bullish enough, guys. We genuinely might be running all the way up to 8 cents. But curbing that bullish enthusiasm a little bit from a high to a low here, I would very much expect, first off, we could go lower first. Okay, we're at 1.42 cents now, and that's fun. That's nice. But if we were to go down to like 1.3 cents, that's okay. We can do that. That's fine. Who cares? If we were to go below this low, okay, whatever. It's a little bit more extreme, but who cares? That's fine. Better opportunity to buy. Good for us. We've got this kind of W pattern here, and all I believe to know is that once we get above 1.7 cents, there's no going back. It's on. It's going to be fast, you guys. Super fast. It's going to be fantastically fast. Eruptive, explosive, all those bullish terms that we got, right? 1 hour time frame here, looking at this. We are building volume as we're moving higher. That's nice to see. Getting volume here on this wicked low. Looking at the 1 hour RSI. We look bullish, but we're just not doing anything. Why aren't we get overbought? Do something. Come on now, with the stick. Do something. Let's see. High to low. Golden ratio, 382 back up. Okay, cool. You're doing things. Take your time, OnyxCoin. Be patient, C-Zar. 1.4 cents might be where we go back to find support. I'm really starting to think we don't even go to 1.3 cents, right? Lower lows than this are probably off the table at this point in time, you guys. But look, we are moving up. It looks like we've got less volume, but we're actually increasing in volume relative to this area here. So I'm okay with this. This is fine. 4 hour time frame here, bouncing off the 50, looking good. We're moving up, guys. We're looking good, but we're not moving up too much. This isn't like an OnyxCoin day. We're only up 1.5%, so I don't expect the volume to be too much there, right? A move like this won't cause FOMO, but once we get above 1.7 cents, the FOMO is going to set in for anybody who's been watching XCN for the past like few months now, or even like the past year. I very much do anticipate. I mean, you look at this daily time frame, guys. It's a nice bounce right at this area. I like that area a lot. Support here, kind of near this area of support. Right here at this area of resistance. Right here with other areas of resistance, all dating back here. I mean, that's the expectation. You'll probably move up here pretty soon. So, I got nothing else for you guys. I think I've said enough. Hit the like button, subscribe if you want to see more content like this. I really do believe that we're going to see a fantastic move here. I would anticipate that by the end of this month of July, we're probably at prices that are around like 5 to 6 cents, if not all the way up at 8 cents, and then consolidating. I wouldn't be surprised, man, if we were up at 8 cents by the end of July. And then consolidating from there, loading up for that next final move that'll take us up to 26 to 32 cents in August. I got nothing else. Take care. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.